Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your mathematics class. So today we will start chapter 3, decimals. So in decimals, what are we going to study? We are going to study about the decimals, multiplication of decimals and division of decimals. Before this, we will also study about addition, subtraction and comparison. To begin with, what are decimals? Decimals are fractions whose denominators are 10, 100, 1000, etc. So this you have to write in copy. Okay, like what are decimals? So that's decimals are the fractions whose denominators are this, and examples also you will give. Now, when the numbers are written in decimal form, they are called decimal numbers. The number of digits contained in the decimal part of a decimal number is known as number of decimal places. Number of decimal places means if I write the number as 3.456. So here how many digits are there after decimal? It has 3 digits after decimal. So we will say it has 3 decimal places. If I write 2.72, then how many digits after decimal? 2. So how many decimal places it have? 2 decimal places. Getting the concept? And we read how we read this number. This is read as 5.78, not 5.78, isn't it? This is the wrong method. After decimals, we read them as separate numbers. Now we have like and unlike decimals. As you study, as you already know, some basic concepts were already given in class 6th also. Decimal fractions, they will be called like when they have same number of decimal places. Same number means, like here you see the example 5.17. How many digits after decimal? 2 digits after decimal. 19.25 also have 2 digits after decimal. 216.42 also have 2 digits after decimal. So they are called like decimals. Now unlike will have different number of decimal places. Like here it has 1 digit after decimal, here it has 2 digit after decimal, here it is 3 digit after decimal. So they are called unlike. Clear? Like means it should have same number of decimal places, unlike will have different number of decimal places. Moving on to the conversion of decimals as fractions. So we convert the decimal into an equivalent fraction with denominator 10, 100 and 1000. So if I write 5 by 100 and 0.05. So this is called your decimal what? This will be called as decimal fraction because it is a fraction whose denominator is 100 and then it is a decimal and fraction because it has a numerator and a denominator, and this will be called as a decimal number. And how many decimal places it have? It has 2 decimal places. Okay, so how are we going to convert? So we convert the given decimal into the equivalent fraction with denominator 10, 100 or 1000 depending on the places of decimal after removing the decimal point from numerator. So a decimal number is given to you. They are asking you to write it in fraction. So first you will write the number, that is 0.05. Now what you will do? First, now 0.05, you will write the number as 5. Okay. Because if a number has zeros before it, so then these zeros have no value. If I write 12 and before 12 I write 3 zeros, so then this is equal to 12 only. These 3 zeros have no value. Okay, that's why 0.05 is equal to 5 because this 0 has no value. So then 5. First you will write 5. Then what you will do? Then in the denominator, first you will write 1. Then point, and after point how many digits are there? 2 decimal places are there, na? So it will have 2 zeros. So the answer will be 5 by 100 which will be reduced to 1 by 20. Look one more. Suppose 2.064. How are you going to write this number in fraction? You write the number without the decimal first. 2064 by 1. Okay, this much is done. Now how many zeros you will place? as many decimal places it has. It has 3 decimal places because it has 3 digits after decimal. So I will write 0, 0, 0. Now you reduce it, you will get the answer. Okay. Next is fractions as decimals. Now here the fraction will be given to you and you have to write it in decimal. So convert the given fraction into an equivalent fraction. So your first thing should be to change the denominator to 10, 100 or 1000. Okay. And then keep the decimal point before the number in the numerator as many digits as number of zeros in the denominator. If the number of digits in the numerator are not equal to number of zeros in the denominator, then add zeros to the left of the number to make it equal. Suppose answer is coming as 5, but you want 3 digits after decimal. So in order to make it 3, you will put 1 and 1 more 0. Now they are 3. Okay, we will see it with the example. So in case of mixed fractions, keep the whole numbers as the integral part and proceed for the step of 1 and 2. See the examples, you will understand. So they are asking to convert these fractions to decimal. 6 by 10. So we'll write 6 as it is. And how many zeros? 1 0 na? So this 1 0 will change to a decimal. 1 decimal. And before this decimal, we will put a 0. Okay. Inserting the decimal point one place to the left of the number. Now 2 zeros are here. First you write 8. Now here how many zeros? 2 zeros are there in the denominator. So you will put 1 0 and a decimal. Because this decimal is counted as single zero. If single zero na, so then decimal. If 2 zeros are there, so one will be your decimal, another will be your 0. So it will be 0.08. Now 7 whole 1 by 4. So you will write it as 7 plus 1 by 4. And 1 by 4 ko you have to change to decimal. So 1 by 4. 4, what can you multiply in 4 so that it become a 10, 100 or 1000? So if I multiply it with a 25, it will be 100. And if you are multiplying in the denominator, you have to multiply in numerator also. So it will be 25 by 100. 25 by 100 in decimal will be how much? 2 zeros. So from the back, 1 place, 2 place, and the decimal will come. So 0.25. So the answer will be 7.25. See, some numbers are there which on multiplication will give you 10, 100 or 1000. So if it is 5, you multiply with a 2, it will become a 10. If it is a 50, you multiply with a 2, it will become 100. If it is a 25, you multiply with a 4, it will become 100. Some other numbers can be, if it is 125, you multiply it with the 8, it will become 1000. These simple tricks you have to remember. Okay, it will come with the practice. Moving on to exercise, let us see. So what are they asking in the first question? Convert each of the following decimals into fractions in lowest form. So first you will change the decimal. 2.25 is the decimal number. You have to change it to fraction. So first you will write 2 to 5. How many digits after decimal? 1 and 2. So in the denominator, you will write 1 and you will put 2 zeros. As many digits after decimal, those many zeros means jitne digits after decimal. So in the denominator, those many zeros you will put. So here 2 digits after decimal, so denominator has 2 zeros. If it has 3 digits, example if I write 2.345, so it will be 2345 by 1 and how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Getting the concept? Now you reduce it. Keep on dividing by 5. You will get the answer as 9 by 4. Second one. 15 whole 1 by 2. This is of question number 2. Here the fraction is given. You have to change to decimal. So they said that when a whole part is there, na whole part ko to alag likh denge. That is a 15. Now 1 by 8. 1 by 8. I gave you the technique. 8 should be changed to 10, 100 or 1000. So we have seen that when 8 multiplied with 125, it becomes 1000. But when you will multiply 125 in denominator part, you have to multiply in numerator also, so that it is an equivalent fraction, so that its value remains same. Okay. So then it will be 125 by 1000. Now 125 by 1000, so you can easily change. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. So decimal will come 3 places. 1, 2, 3. इसके पहले decimal आ जाएगा. So it will be 15 plus 125 by 1000. That will be 15.125. Okay. See, if I write 5 by 10, so it will be 0.5. Okay, 1 0 will become a point. If same number, you see, if I write 5 by 100, that you will study further also, but I want to give you the basic concept, the rule. So इसमें क्या होगा? 5 by 100, 1 0 will become a decimal. Another 0 is there na, so ये 0 को we will write as it is 0 and 5. Getting the concept? If it was 5 by 1000, now here also 1 0 will become a decimal. Now these two zeros are left. इनको ऐसे ही लिख देंगे 0 and 0, and the answer is 0.005. I just want to tell you the technique. Fourth one, very simple. You have to add the numbers. So in order to add or subtract or compare, we make them like. And how we make them like? By adding zeros. Look here. 14.44, 6.234 and 18. Three different kind of numbers are there. It has 2 digits after decimal, it has 3 digits after decimal, and it has no digit up, no decimal. Isn't it? So first what we will do, we will make them like. Like करने के लिए you see what is the maximum number of digits after decimal. Here it is 3 are the maximum number of digits after decimal. So every number should have 3 decimal places. अब look here. Here it was 4 and 4. So what we did? एक 0 लगा दो. Nothing will happen. Because putting a 0 after decimal doesn't change the value. 6.234, तो उस पे तो 2, 3 and 4, it has 3 digits, it's done. Now 18 was all alone now, so put a decimal and put 3 zeros. It also become a number with the 3 decimal places. Now it is fine. All of them are like, add them. Okay, you will get the answer as 38.674 on adding. So your classworks and homeworks are marked here. Moving on to the next part of the chapter, find the value. So here subtraction, again you have to make them like, so 100 and 36.48. So 100 ko how you will make like? Uske aage you will put a decimal and 2 zeros, because 36.48 has 2 decimal places na. So 100 ko bhi we will do same way. Now you subtract, you'll get the answer. Now 10 minus 8 is a 2, 9 minus 4 is a 5. 9 minus 6 is a 3 and 9 minus 3 is a 6. Is it 8 plus 2 is 10, 5, 10, 0, 0, yes, yes, this is the answer. Okay, make like for addition, to add, subtract or compare. Compare means arranging in ascending or descending order, whatever. Okay, make like. That is the first step. Because as soon as you make them like, things are very easy. Look here, question number 5, fourth part. 6 minus 2.5307 plus 3.1. Again, they are not like, they are unlike. So it has 1 decimal place, it has 4 decimal place, and it has no decimal place. So what we will do, first we will make all of them like. Sabke paas should have 4 digits after decimal. So to make a 6 with 4 digit after decimal, write it as 6.1234 zeros. 2.5307, done. 3.1, only 1 was there now, so 0, 0, 0. Now they all are with the 4 decimal places, so you do as it is asked. So first subtract, you will get 3.4693, then add, it will be 3965.6 is the answer. Clear? Same way, the second part, they are asking to arrange in ascending order. Ascending is small to big. So first make them like 0.52, 36.28, 2.05 and 3.50. Because maximum digits were 2. This has 2 decimal places, this has 2 decimal places, this has 2 decimal places. Only this has 1 decimal place. So what we did, we added a 0 here to make it like. But now they are fine. Now which one is the smallest? 0.52 is the smallest, then 2.05, then 3.50 and 36.28. These all things are already done. There is nothing new. Only you have to remember to make them like. Always like. Very first step, make like, then do whatever is asked. So that was all for today. See you in the next class. Have a nice day.